noodle. It's so good. Thanks, Mom. Oh,
You're welcome.
so good. I've been craving Laotian khao soi with fresh rice noodles. It is amazing from scratch. The smell, the texture, the taste, it's so good. I don't know how to make it, so I've decided to recruit some extra help. And I asked one of the best cooks to show me how to make it. And that's my mom. So that's where you learn how to make
Yes.
rice noodles.
Yeah.
Rice noodles are actually used in a lot of Asian dishes, like pho, pad thai, pad see ew, and pad khimao. I'm looking forward to trying this. Man, my arm's getting tired.
You want me to help?
Yeah, you do it. Okay. You can actually get rice noodles at your local Asian store, but if you can make it from scratch, it takes the phrase "so good" to a whole new level, which is why we've driven 80 miles to learn how to make this thing. My name is Sang, and we're on our way to my mom's house so she can teach us how to make fresh rice noodles from scratch. Come on, let's go. This is so good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did.